Alright boys, today's an exciting video. It's currently around 6 o'clock in the evening, and I'm going to pick up some wheels for the Jenny. So to explain, the car is not done yet. Today's Sunday. Car isn't done yet. It's not running. I think tomorrow, Monday, we'll be finishing everything up. Hopefully it all goes good. Car starts up, runs. And my plan is to take it home tomorrow. That way, probably on either Tuesday or Wednesday, I could do all the little things I bought for it, like little parts, and then touch up on everything that's wrong with it, like the bumper not fitting correctly and stuff. But I'm gonna try to take care of all that at home, and then hopefully throw the wheels on. So this video is kind of gonna be spaced out through the next couple days. So I'll update you once I pick up the wheels. So while I'm driving to the location that we're meeting up at, I want to give you a reasoning behind why I'm picking up the wheels. I wasn't planning to really, just because like I thought the tires were still good. But yesterday when we pulled them off again, the front tires, to put the subframe on, I noticed that the front two tires are two different sizes. So then I'm like, shoot, I gotta buy 3 new tires just to make everything balanced, because one, the rear wheels was also worn out pretty badly. So I just started looking on OfferUp and Facebook to see if I find anything good, and I came across a set of wheels for 750 bucks. In my opinion, they're gonna look very good, and they're gonna match with the whole color scheme that I'm doing with the car. So I texted the guy. He actually responded very fast. Within like 10 minutes he responded to me. We figured out a good price right in the middle of what I was trying to spend and what he was asking. So it's very cheap in my opinion for those wheels, and the fact that they already come with tires that are in a pretty decent condition is amazing. So basically, yeah, instead of buying tires brand new and spending like 300-400 bucks, just look on OfferUp, find some used wheels with some decent tires. Pay a little bit more, but you're getting yourself wheels and tires and making your car look better, and you're gonna have tires to wear out that could last you a little bit longer, so only makes more sense to do that. And if you're looking to buy it on a budget, just buy used instead of buying brand new, because you could save a whole lot of money. Oh man, what is this, dude? Come on. It's not funny. Now I gotta clean up the car even more, but that's okay. Basically, today we're continuing the wheels video. I am gonna finally install them today. It's about, I think I bought them on Saturday, and today is already Thursday, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick cold start so you guys could hear what the car sounds like. So it's a lot quieter than what it was to begin with, because when we just put everything back together, I didn't put on the secondary cats just because I thought it would sound better, but it was just obnoxiously loud. So 2 days ago I threw the secondary cats back in, and now it sounds perfect, to be honest. It's not too loud, it's not quiet, and it's just like perfect. So now we're gonna go install the wheels. So these are the wheels, Audon DS07. Front are 19 by 9.5 and rears are 19 by 11. If I am correct, the offset I believe should be plus 22. It might be plus 15 though, which will be slightly more aggressive, but either way I think they should fit pretty well. So right now I'm going to just pull them out and get to installing them. So I'm gonna probably clean the wheels out a little bit, just at least on this side of the lip, because it's pretty dirty, most of them. So I'm gonna use this Ugo glass cleaner with just microfiber. Just spray it, let it soak in all the dirt, and then just wipe it down, and they should come out pretty clean. First wheel is clean, looks a lot better now, so I'm gonna just do the rest and then I'll start recording again after I start putting them on. Alright, all 4 wheels are now clean for the most part. I'm still gonna wash them again after I install them. I'm gonna just wash the whole car with the pressure washer. So now we're gonna get to installing. That's the first wheel. I'm gonna need to probably change the front tires because this is too big of a gap and the sidewall is just not there, so I might get, so if these are 235/35s, probably gonna run like a 245/40 or 245/35 just to get a little bit more sidewall and a little bit more width, that way it's not stretching as much. But the fitment is pretty much perfect. It pokes out just a little bit, but once we get coils and lower the car, it's gonna look amazing. Alright, so all the wheels are finally on. This side's all done, looking all good. Except this tire is different from the other front tires, so the sidewall is a bit smaller. Even though they're the same size, but the brands are different, so it's just a little bit off. So I'm probably gonna have to just replace that tire. So I'll show you here. Like you could see, the sidewall is a lot bigger, so I don't know. I'm just gonna look into fixing it, but the wheels look very good. I'm really happy with them, so I'm gonna try to take some pictures now. After installing the wheels, started cleaning out the interior, wiping all this, cleaning out carpets and the rugs from all the dog hair that was in here, because the previous owner did have a dog. So now the interior is all clean and shiny. Just wiped everything down, vacuumed and like cleaned off all the dog hair, so now it's looking a lot better. And with the wheels now especially, this car looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. That's the wheels. The fitment is very aggressive, but I think with a little bit of a better alignment and maybe even a slightly wider tire in the rear, it's gonna look good, especially after getting the coilovers. So that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next one.